Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to talk about LinkedIn Creator Mode and how to take advantage as a LinkedIn content creator to get the most out of LinkedIn to build your personal brand. So if you want to grow on LinkedIn, this is the video you want to watch. Hack number one, you want to describe 5 hashtags that best describe your content you're going to publish on LinkedIn. Now what this does is it will be displayed at the top of your profile, just under your LinkedIn headline, and it will communicate specific topics that you are talking about. And this will help you when someone who might be interested in following you or connecting with you, when someone visits your profile and they see those hashtags, they will instantly understand, hey, those are 3 hashtags I'm really interested in. Let's follow this person. It will really help you attract the right people, because if the hashtags are unrelated and they're not interested in any of them, they will not follow you. And this will really dramatically increase the quality of your audience. And you really want to have a very focused audience that are specifically interested in what you have to say. What this also does, that it also allows you to get featured by the LinkedIn editorial team as a creator to follow. Now you might not know this, but LinkedIn is always looking out for new and upcoming content creators in various niches. They're reading the most popular posts. Doesn't have to be in terms of likes, comments, and shares. LinkedIn will also often consider dwell time, which means like how long have people engaged with your content, how long did they look at this, how many minutes of a video did they watch. And when they see that you're consistently creating good content, and those content pieces are in alignment with your LinkedIn Creator Mode hashtags, then they will often feature you to people who already follow the specific hashtags. Now here's the secret. You want to focus on hashtags that your ideal audience is following. And that usually means that you have to look for a little bit more broader hashtags, not something super niche. Like for example, you don't want to use your name necessarily, like as an example, hashtag Tim Queen, because you want to attract new people. So it's way more important that you have like generic terms that are representing like a wider area of topics and subtopics that normal people you want to have as a customer, as a potential client, as a member of your ideal audience. You want to have topics that those people are following. Now, if you want to get some tips on how to do this, you can download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide at the end of the video. Link in the description and into the pinned comment below. It's completely free. Just enter your email address and I'm going to send you the download link. Hack number 2 is a new profile layout. And I really want you to take advantage of this. What happens when you turn on LinkedIn Creator Mode? Your featured section will be pushed all the way to the top, which allows you to create clickable image links. On desktop, 1 to 3 clickable links will be the optimum size, because if you add any more, they will not be visible. You have to press the more button to scroll through the list of additional items. But 1 to 3 is really the ideal number. And you should also add a clickable bio link. I'm going to add a video up here that you can watch that shows you exactly how to add a clickable bio link, just like this over here. So what happens when someone visits your LinkedIn Creator Mode profile? They see your picture, they see your headline, then they see your hashtags, and they have a clickable bio link. And then they scroll down a little bit further, they get your featured section with 3 more clickable links. So you have a lot of clickable items that someone can take action on right at the top, which makes it really easy to grow the right audience and to direct people to the right resources. For example, on my profile, I'm promoting my LinkedIn hashtag guide that you can download for free. So it's very easy for people to find the right resources or to sign up for your newsletter or a sales page. You can check out this video over here where I'm telling you what kind of content you can add to your LinkedIn featured section if you want to learn more about this. It's a really powerful feature. You really want to get the right people to the right resources so you can collect the contact information of qualified leads and then build trust with them over email, over phone, whatever your funnel looks like. Hack number 3, you get additional LinkedIn creator tools which will help you build a qualified audience and attract more followers on LinkedIn. Now you will get access to LinkedIn Creator Analytics, which give you detailed insights on how well your content is performing. You will see who are the people looking at your content, where are they located, how is your content performing, how long is someone watching your video, and LinkedIn is constantly adding more features, so you will be able to see even more detailed insights and then use that information so you can create like a content feedback loop, which is helping you to consistently improve your content and get better and better at attracting the right people that you want to have in your audience. You will also get access to a LinkedIn Live that allows you to live stream on LinkedIn. This is a really powerful feature, especially if you're combining this with events and promoting this on LinkedIn. People are much more likely to engage in a live event and to attend on time than they are to watch a pre-recorded video. So it's a really useful tool to build trust in a very engaging way on LinkedIn. So make sure that you take advantage of LinkedIn Live. You also get access to LinkedIn audio-only events. This is very similar to Clubhouse or Twitter Spaces and allows you to create an audio-only experience where you can either talk about a specific topic, answer questions, or get panelists onto the stage to talk about something. And this is a really good way to build trust with potential customers, because sometimes by listening to someone's voice, you can get like a much better feeling if you might get along with this person, or you can connect with what they have to say in a better way. And the last LinkedIn creator tool, at least at the moment, is LinkedIn newsletters. This allows you to set up like a daily, weekly, or monthly newsletter, and it works very similar to writing an article. The only exception is people can subscribe to your newsletter, and whenever you publish your newsletter, it will be sent out to everyone who has subscribed to it, which is another great way to stay at the top of their mind, so they never forget about you. So whenever you are talking about something that is resonating with a current problem or challenge they're facing in their business, they will know that you are the right person to reach out to. LinkedIn is also adding new creator tools all the time, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to get updates once new tools become available. Hack number 4, if you really want to take advantage of the LinkedIn Creator Mode, you have to create content and become a thought leader on LinkedIn. By publishing content for your ideal audience, they will see you as someone trustworthy who is at the top of their field and will always think of you whenever they're facing a specific challenge or have a specific goal and they need some help to achieving those. And it all starts by creating the right content strategy. For that, you have to know who your ideal audience is. For your content strategy, you have to make sure that you have a clear image of who your ideal audience is. And you have to have a deep understanding what are specific challenges and goals that they have in their business. And then you have to create content around specific content clusters that help your audience achieve their goals and to overcome their challenges. And as you continue publishing high valuable content that helps them achieve their own goals, you will naturally step into a thought leadership role. You will become a trusted source of information and knowledge in your industry, which will open a lot of doors and will keep you at the top of your audience minds. So no matter what your goal is on LinkedIn, you will be able to attract new clients, you will find new people to donate to your charity, you will be invited to events, you might get interviewed on podcasts by press and media, or bring awareness to your cause. Now, if you want to learn how to become a LinkedIn thought leader, build your personal brand, attract new clients and customers for your business, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. The link is down in the pinned comment and in the description. It's my A to Z system that teaches you how to become a thought leader in any field on LinkedIn. You can also download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, and if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, smash the notification, and if you really enjoyed this video, please also like this video. It really helps out the algorithm and helps us get this video to the right people so they can also build their brand on LinkedIn. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!